Hey, Sonny. Hey, Paulie. A little bath time. Look. Hey, Bubba. A little bath time. They like it fall. They don't like to be sprayed right up on them. Pinky don't like it at all. Look. Be look like a little chicken. That little chicken. That little chicken. They like that. See how he does his hair. Look. Hey, Sonny. Hey, hey, Paulie. Y'all like that? Huh? Here's a little spritzer. There you go. Look. You like that, Sonny? Paulie? Go on, get. Hey there, Bubba. Look at the. Sonny love that shit. Look at him. You like that, huh? You like that? Early morning. Sonny, you stay cool. Look how wet Sonny is. I know, Sonny. My bad. What about you? Pinky don't like that shit. You gotta get clean, man. You gotta get a bath every morning. I know. Sonny the only one that really Paulie kinda. You like that, huh, boy? Oh, you're all wet now, huh? Yeah. Yeah, my pretty bird, good bird. He likes to get petted on the beak. He's all wet now. All right. Not him, boy. Right now, he'll bite you when he's wet. You okay, Pinky? You okay? Yeah, it's okay. All right, y'all.